And so today, I have something really cool. Squishmellows. But also I have these and you can check on YouTube. But not YouTube Kids. But on YouTube, no. I left 2 of them at my Dia's house, but it's okay. So there's 2 right here. I can put it on. What's up in it? It's ready to go. I just have to ruin it. I got it. It's cool. My hand is inside. I open it. It's kind of hard than my little one. I'm inside the box. Okay, so here's the house. Well, I love the background. Now, we're gonna... Oopsie, sorry guys. Okay, now we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut the whole thing. I'm joking. Let's just cut this. I got one now. Okay, we got this one now. Got this one. Now are we done? Now we can play with my whole Squishmallows. We're gonna play for a little bit, but I got this for $7 and I got it from Dee Dee's. It's really cute. We can use this. We can cover it. I'm gonna decorate when I'm done with this video. Okay, so what's up in my other one? So this is some of them at my Dia's house, but we could put these right here. So these could go right here. This one 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 could go right here. And the last one, this one could go right here. Now I fit my whole thing. Okay. We need some food toys. I remember that I used to have a video of food toys of my Squishmallows. So we can find some food toys. But it's okay, we don't have to. Mimmy's right there. She's a kitty cat. Maybe do you want to come here? This is a kitty. You're on my video. Okay, there we jump. Okay, so I have two beds here. Okay, so this is gonna fit for the drive-thru. Okay, so we're gonna have this right here, and we're gonna have this one right here. This one. Gonna order this one. Two. So this is gonna go here. This is gonna order shoes. And this one is gonna be right here. Okay. Hello, or candy. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Okay, we got candy. How much is for the ride? $10. Here you go. That's cheap. Okay. Now we're gonna go for the ride. Boom! Ah, this is so fun. Okay. I think this is the end of the video. Bye! Subscribe. Bye! Subscribe more. Bye!